Welcome to ABM's VR360 training for a 787 wide-body jet water service. A vital part of aircraft preparation between flights is the servicing of the water units, adding potable or drinking water to the aircraft. These units ensure a comfortable travel experience for the passengers, but they can also cause immense challenges when not serviced correctly, causing the aircraft to sometimes return to original departure cities, causing huge delays and inconveniencing passengers. This servicing is performed for every flight, in sun, rain, snow, and wind, and at all hours of the day or night. This work is essential to getting an aircraft ready for its next flight. So don your protective gear, be aware of what is going on around you, and drive safely. If you have any questions or safety concerns, please contact your supervisor immediately. Before we get started, take a look around. Look up, down, left, and right. You can even turn around and see what is behind you. Be careful not to lose your balance. We recommend you sit in a chair that swivels. This training will immerse yourself into what it's like to be there on location, step by step, doing the job. This training will start with the POI, or vehicle walk-around, checking to be sure the truck is working properly, and you have everything you need to safely do your job. We will then take you to the aircraft, where you will learn how to refill the aircraft with water. Finally, you will learn how to refill the water truck with potable water. Please note that every airport location may have differences in equipment or processes. If you have any questions about safety or doing your job, please contact your supervisor immediately and only do what you have been trained, certified, and authorized to do. To get started, first do a complete walk around the truck. For your PPE, or personal protective equipment, be sure you are wearing non-slip shoes, a safety vest or shirt, have ear protection, and gloves. Then check the following to be sure they are in safe working condition. Headlights. Brakes. Emergency brake. Functioning seat belt. Horn. Windshield wipers. Mirrors. Tires. Chocks. Flags. Safety cone. Water end cap. Service hoses. And finally, the paddle mechanism. Approach the aircraft, stopping 2 times to confirm the brakes are functioning properly. First, stop outside the safety diamond or safety envelope. The second stop is approximately 25 feet from the aircraft. Approach the aircraft on the captain's side of the aircraft when possible. Place the safety cone no closer than 3 feet in front of the engine. When backing up to approach the aircraft for service, remember to perform 3 brake checks, coming to a complete stop each time you brake. Stop at least 3 feet from the engine of mainline aircraft marked by the cone. Place the vehicle in park and set the emergency brake. Place chocks behind and in front of the truck's driver rear tire. Open the service panel access door. It is very important to not service the aircraft if there is a do not service or inoperative sticker on the outside or inside of the panel door. Make a note on your servicing log with the aircraft number and that water was not serviced. If you see any damage to the aircraft, you must stop service and contact both ABM dispatch and ABM manager on duty. Disconnect the water hose from the fill cap connected to the truck and purge water from the hose for 5 seconds. Do this by pressing the paddle on the back corner of the truck. Pull the hose to the service panel and attach the coupling to the water port. This is done by rotating the end of the coupling to the left unlocked position. Open the water port flapper. Place coupling on the fill port. Then rotate to the right locked position. Press the top left button on the water control panel labeled Fill. Wait 60 to 90 seconds for the UV delay light to turn off. If the coupling is properly locked, you will hear a click which indicates the coupling is properly attached to the aircraft. You may not hear the click due to ambient noise, but will feel the click. Confirm the coupling is attached by gently pulling at the base of the coupler to confirm the coupler is locked. Begin to fill the aircraft with water by depressing the paddle. The aircraft will be filled to specified quantity. The quantity will light up as each quantity goal is reached. To acknowledge the water level of the aircraft, the driver will need to walk back and forth between the aircraft and truck until the designated water level is reached. Disconnect the coupler by turning it to the left and remove. Allow the water port to drain until no more water drains. Check to see if the bottom left flight light is lit, indicating the service is complete. If it is not, push the button to turn on the flight light. Close the water service panel. Roll the hose back into its slotted position on the wheel and cap the water hose. Perform a 360 safety walk around the water truck. Remove the chocks and store on the designated hook located on the tank. The driver then positions himself in the driver's seat, fastens the seat belt, and safely exits the safety diamond. At the end of every shift, and if needed during the shift, you will need to refill the truck with water. Every location will be different, but every airport has a water filling station on the property. When you pull into the station, you will set the handbrake. You will then place the chocks on the tires. Connect the water line to the truck. Turn on the water. Fill the water to the top of the gauge, indicating it is full. Disconnect the water line. We want to thank you for your attention to this important training. If you have any questions about the equipment, the process, or safety, please contact a supervisor. We value you as an important part of our team and look forward to working with you.